I'm riding on the ridge. Yeah. Luke. I am your father.
Those nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those nice pants.
Just figured you guys do it all the time, so.
Yeah, just like that.
Just want to make sure it has started. Oh, don't get behind me.
Does it and then says, "Don't get behind me."
I wasn't thinking. Alright, so what is this right here is the question. Frozen Head Park, State Park. Okay, we gotta go right here. Frozen Head Park is, the Devil's Triangle goes around Frozen Head Park.
What's your GPS say, John?
It brought me to that intersection.
That was it?
Yeah, it's a combination of 113, 62, and something. We'll pull over in a minute and double check. I got the PDF map saved.
I'm sure people probably make maps of this shit.
There is. It's from devilstriangletennessee.com. And then we got dragon type roads from this point out. And I would say this is more dangerous than the dragon. Is the fall off on these? Serious. Yeah, buddy.
That's nice. There's a nice 180 coming up on here, according to the map. The next turn, actually.
Nice. Yeah, this one's tight, dude.
Oh no, dude! I almost feel like that stretch right there is more technical than the dragon. Not more technical, but more like you're constantly in a corner.
There's definitely spots that are more technical than the dragon here. I can agree. See this little dip again, and then another quick left. Yeah, I love it. Very cool. Yeah, this road's fun, bro. There's a historic two-wheel museum somewhere around here, and I've always wanted to go. It's called Wheels Through Time, I think. Everybody always suggests it, and I've never gone.
I would check that out.
PJ knows the owner, I'm pretty sure. And then this is pretty much the end.
We're going right. Well, there's really only one way to go, huh?
So yeah, because if you got dual sports, though, I've heard of people going up there. That's an actual road, public road all the way through.
Oh, shit.
We're still not done. There's still a lot of cool section up there.
You seen the gorge, dude? You'd fucking laugh. That's the most technical road we have, dude.
There's a dude like laying sleeping on the right there.
What the?
Did you see him?
Yes. There's
He's
a dude
like right on the shoulder.
fucking sleeping.
What the fuck?
And he's just fucking napping, bro. He's taking a bike ride up.
I hope he's alive, dude.
Should we check?
Should we?
I don't know. You think he needs help or he's napping?
I mean, I hope he's not like one of those like old retrievers that know that they're about to die, so they go and lay under a tree.
Oh my god. Jesus. Fuck.
Wow.
That's a tight.
Battery's sitting there with a walkie-talkie, like, wrong turn, and, like, hey, you guys got some fucking fresh meat coming towards you.
You know how big of an asshole we're all going to feel like if we read about that in the newspaper? Like, some fucking, everybody knows him, too. He's like, this guy, he's like a local character that ride all the time on the bike. And they're like, yeah, some New York riders went right by him and didn't even
like, budge, dude. Like, our bikes are pretty loud.
I bet you the locals around here, just like the locals around the Dragon, are ridiculous. Dude, quick, tight switchbacks. Holy fucking hell.
Wow. This is like fucking Mulholland Drive right here.
Another one, bro. Dude, look at this one, bro. Dude, look at this.
Oh,
wow, dude. Oh my god, dude.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Nice and slow, dude.
Jesus, this one's the same thing. I love this, bro. I'll hang out up here. I forgot about this. God damn. Look all the way through.
Oh my god, I'm fucking covering my brake the whole way. That was stupid.
Look all the way through.
Wow.
Woo! That guy was on my side.
He was on your side?
Yep.
Did you say we have to get back on?
We're pretty much done. We go right here.
We go right?
Yeah, that's a cool shot right there. Jesus is coming.
They spelled coming wrong.
I was about to say there's no E in coming.
There was a sign that said Jesus is coming soon, and then on the right there was a swastika on one of the signs.
Shut
Oh,
up.
really?
Yeah.
I got an idea. You guys want to take a little diversion?
Do you know where it goes?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it right here. Because that traffic is going to be like that for a little bit. I actually don't know where this is. Makes my shit sound like a fucking moped.
Nice meme.